Objectives and channels. SEO and Google AdWords. Drive more organic traffic using SEO and bring more visitors using Google AdWords. Adjust your page strategies to suit your goals. And do you want more traffic or you are looking to increase your conversion? Each page channel has its pros and cons. So think carefully about your objective before you reach your credit card. If you're hoping the more traffic to your site will also result in more sales, you will need to target high commercial intent keywords as a part of your paid search strategies. Yes, competition for these search terms can be fierce and expensive, but the payoff can be worth. When we talk about organic, that is SEO, you have to focus on your keywords. Think Most of the people think like SEO is dead. Now let's think again. Optimizing your content for the search engine is still valuable and worthwhile practice and worth clicking on it. Are you making the most of your image or text? Are you creating internal links to your new content? What about the meta description, meta title? Optimize on on-page SEO and off-page SEO. There are a lot of ways to do it to boost your organic traffic. Create a content. Create a content that your audience is looking for. Make a proper headline and proper title and a description and the body for your content. You could be the content, it could be in the form of written document, it could be a blog, ebooks, video, or visual. Now, when you're focusing on your content, check which is the platform that you can start circulating and get good traffic, especially referral traffic. Yeah. So focus on your content and grow organic as your digital marketing strategy. Social media and email and SMS marketing. Social media is one of the platforms where most of the people engage themselves on those every day. So create a social media profile properly as a part of your SMO, social media optimization. It's not enough to produce great content and hope that people find it. You have to be proactive on social media pages. One of the best way to increase traffic to your website is to use social media channels to promote your content. Twitter is ideal for short, snappy, tempting links, whereas Facebook gives you more catchy and attractive. And when you talk about your Instagram and Pinterest, it's more visualizing and videos. So focus on the content. Each and every single platform has its own strength where you can talk about your product or services more effectively. Promote your content. As a part of objective and channels, you have to start promoting your content. Send promotion using social media, use email marketing automation. Send an email broadcast. You should have a good set of database where you can pick a customer on a particular folder, a tag, and you can start triggering a email campaign. Engage with your community, especially social media groups, content promotion network, online communities. You have to find which way relevant it is to focus on your digital marketing strategy. Pay to promote. You can start creating campaigns on your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Quora, and so on. You can also focus on Reddit. You can focus on Outbrain as well. Reach out on the social media. Social media is crowded, guys. So there is no guarantee interested people will see and share your content. To improve your content's visibility, target interested people are directly getting involved on your content. So make sure your content is loud enough. And you have to connect with your influencer outside your social network as well. So you can go to YouTube, you can go for a public figure who have a very good influencer uh, audience. You can talk to him and start promoting your content using the influencer.